Hey Virgo, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, and goodwill all your way. It's the greatest healer of all time with the message that bad health is big business, and we're here to put them out of business, guys, because if we are what we eat, if we cheat, then we must treat. So eat right. Please treat right. I need you on a massage table at least twice a month to open up that nervous system and that lymph system. Guys, I need you to stop cutting your hair and your mustache because if you pull on your hair, it is a very specific sensation because your hair is your outer extension of your nervous system. Your nervous system is your electricity system. You want to open up your body and start cutting because it would short circuit us. So as we short circuit ourselves and our head swells, Alzheimer's is at an all-time high, with stroke is an all-time high, at an age of an all-time low. Just something to think about. Guys, if we can invest into our death, we can invest into our health. Alcohol becomes very expensive on a weekly basis, but investing to our health is very affordable. Virgo, let's go take a deep breath so we can get to your word of the day. Eyes rolled back, deep breath into your stomach, all that positive energy. Let's take it in. No more exhalation of all that negative energy, negative thoughts. Virgo, your word of the day is one step at a time, and this is right up your alley because you're a steady sign. You're an earth baby, you're observant. You like to see what's going on before you act. You like to see who's around you, to see who's real and who is fake. This is right up your alley, so I know that you're glad today. So as you sit into your power today, just take one step at a time of what you're building, the people that you're bringing around you, the energies, because it's all about frequencies. Networking is the new currency, guys. So as you reset yourselves in this new currency reset, financial, emotional, spiritual reset, remember, you guys are at one step at a time. So pretty much whatever you've been building on, is it yourself, your character, whatever it is as your project, you've been okayed by the highest power that created this whole world. You've been given the green light. So I see the mountain ahead because once you put in the work, once you start manifesting, faith without works is dead. So there is a mountain ahead, and I dedicate myself to taking one step at a time. You're going to have to put the work in. But the great part about it is that you're so far ahead. Some people didn't even get the green light and the go from the Almighty, from energy, from source, from wherever you're manifesting, guys. You got the green light, and everyone does not get the green light. Some people have to go back to the drawing board. So this is why I need you guys to get this right this time around, the first time around. I make progress by staying focused on the present moment. I need you to be focused on this present moment. Every little step is so pertinent, is so important. Every little small step is part of the huge big picture. The sound system guy, the light system people at a concert. Without them, it'll be a dull concert. So every little piece counts. The current task, thus I regain an ease of living. Guys, whatever you are working on, keep on working and take your steps, but also appreciate every little part of your journey. Appreciate every person that helps you. Appreciate every step of your journey because you're in a place that you cannot forget what you've learned. Everything that you've taken from your past life, even though you can't take the physical knowledge that you've taken from your past life, you can take the spiritual and execute it in this new life. I hope that's really reaching someone today because you guys have one step at a time. I just want to let you know that you've been given the green light to go. But if you feel as though you're not making any progress today or the progress that you wanted to make, slow down. Understand that maybe the progress you made today is the most that you can make at this moment because life is a marathon. If it was a sprint, we would manifest so many things so quickly. Life would be grand, but once we understand that life is a marathon and it takes a while to manifest our great things, we know that it's on the way, but we're not impatient. So positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, and goodwill all your way. It's the greatest healer of all time with the message that bad health is big business. And we're here to put them out of business, guys, because if we are what we eat, if we cheat, then we must treat. So eat right, we need to treat right. I need you on a massage table at least twice a month. Open up that lymph system and decompress that nervous system so we can at least get a little bit of peace. I need you to stop cutting your hair and your beard is adding to our mental illness. Look how our head are swelling. Guys, think of these things that we look into and we dig deep inside into our nutrition and the way that we maintenance ourselves. Because we can invest in our death, but we also can invest into our health. Alcohol is very expensive on a weekly basis, but restoring your health is very affordable. Love you guys. Be great.